Good morning, Kipsters. This is Mr. Garrett. I'm still up in New York with my family, and I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy during this time. I miss you all. Just want to start out with some quick shout outs from last week. There are so many students out there that are spending so much time despite the obstacles, still learning, still working hard, still showing growth mindset, and I'm really proud of those people. So thank you for putting the time in and continuing your math lessons. Just some big shout outs. We had 80% of all students hand in week 1 and 2 assignments in math this past week. And I was blown away by that turnout. And so thank you for your hard work. And again, thank you for showing growth mindset during this time. I'm really proud of you guys. I also want to shout out, there's like a lot of students who are still coming to coach class and asking for advanced work. And so I just want to shout out to Renaya and Zach, Angel, Caleb, Mishael, Arcieri, Tamonte. Those students I have seen at Mr. Stanley's or my coach class quite often this past week. And for those of you who did not tune in, we would love to see you come to coach class. We review the assignments throughout the week, and then we usually end with a few challenge questions on the topic we're covering. So if you're struggling, it's a good time to come in and get some extra help. And if you're like, man, this stuff is easy, and it's a good time to come in and get pushed. I also want to do a huge shout out to Dylan McGuire, who also completed all his assignments early. So I'm recording this on Monday, and I just posted this week's assignments. And Dylan, Caleb, and Angel already were on and completed them. So I'm just seeing a lot of hard work from so many students, and it really means a lot that people are still trying really hard during this time. Some other things I want to go over is just the overall sequence of what you should be doing in math every week. So every week there's going to be 2 lessons posted. Typically you'll have Mr. Stanley, me, or Mr. Sherigos all delivering those lessons. So for this week coming up, Mr. Sherigos and Mr. Stanley ran area of a triangle for you guys. So when you start working on the assignments, you'll see that those two are the ones teaching this week the main 2 lessons. Once those 2 main lessons are done, then you should be going to Khan Academy, and every week there's 2 or 3 exit tickets on there that need to be completed. Now, you can retake those as many times as you want. This is all about making sure you learn it. I'm not looking to penalize anybody. So you can retake those over and over and over again until you get 100 on those. I want to see you learn that stuff. So please, please, please keep retaking it. Get that score that you want on that. Some other things is Prodigy. So what's required is the 2 assignments plus Khan Academy every week. Prodigy is a way for you to have some fun with math and get extra credit. So every week, as much time as you want to spend mastering skills on Prodigy, you can get some extra bonus points. Call up a friend or 2, and instead of playing something on the computer or on the internet, grab a friend and see if you can battle it out on Prodigy. Should be a fun way for you to have some fun with math and still be able to hang out with some friends. Finally is coach class. Now, coach class is totally optional. So coach class runs for math every Tuesday and Thursday. I have the early morning session. So every Tuesday and Thursday, Mr. Garrett has a coach class from 8:30 to 9:30. You need to be in coach class by 8:40, or else I will not be allowing anyone in. And the reason why is because I don't want anyone coming in halfway through the lesson and miss the first half. It's just not fair for everybody who's already in there. So please make sure you're on time, you look professional, you're up and ready. 8:30 every Tuesday and every Thursday for 1 hour. And then Mr. Stanley's, if you want to sleep in, Mr. Stanley's is at 11:30 to 12:30. And again, he is not letting anyone in past 11:40. So 8:30 and 11:30 every Tuesday, Thursday. We're going to work on things that we're doing throughout the week. We're also going to try to add some advanced questions on the end for people who think some of this stuff is easy. This week's topic is still on area, but we're moving to triangles. And next week, we're going to be moving into trapezoids. So I'm super excited to continue geometry with you. And just please don't forget, Mr. Stanley and I are here for you. If you need help, call us. Come to our coach class. We want to see you. We miss you guys so much. And we hope to see you all soon. Stay healthy and have a great week.